Can we just take a moment to appreciate my shirt? So today, I already have my base makeup on and I do have my eyebrows on. I am going to be filming a tutorial using the Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm super excited to try this out. I've never used colorful eyeshadows really, not like multiple. Like I've done like a blue makeup look or a purple makeup look or something like that, but I've never done multiple colorful things. Here are all the beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at that. Do you like my background better as white? I need to get a light behind me, like lighting it up so I don't have this crazy shadow back here. But I mean, like, I think it's better. Do you think it's better? Let me know. Let's just get started. First, I am taking the matte red shade from the palette and I am taking that on a fluffy brush and I am blending that on the outer corner of my eye up into the outer portion of the crease. Then taking the matte orange shade from the palette, I am putting that in the center of my eye up into the center of my crease, meeting the red and orange together. This was a little hard to work with. I will talk about it at the end of the video though. Okay, I'm out of breath. 1, because I ran downstairs. 2, because I shoved a whole chicken quesadilla from Taco Bell in my face. 3, because then I ran back up the stairs. That has to cancel out the calories, right? To finish the lid, I took the matte yellow shade and I met that with the matte orange as best I could. For the lower lash line, I took the matte purple and I am putting that on the outer corner and blending it together with the red, going back and forth between a small pencil brush, I said that weird, pencil brush, and the fluffy brush that I used initially for the red. For the center of my lower lash line, I'm taking the light matte blue and then just blending that together with the purple on the edge. And for the inner corner, I went in with the lightest matte green on a small flat brush and just put that in the inner corner, marrying it with both the blue and the yellow. For the inner corner, I didn't say what shade that I was using, but if you look at the palette, it is the bottom left shade, one of the rectangles. It's one of their highlighting shades with kind of a gold reflect to it. For lips, I thought that a black matte lip would look really pretty with this, so I used the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. I don't remember the shade name, but I will link it down below. Okay, so that completes my look using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I have to say it, this orange fucking sucks, okay? It did not want to stick whenever I didn't have a sticky base, and then whenever I did have a sticky base, which what I should have done. You can work with this orange. You can work with all of these colors. If you are going to do a tutorial using this palette, or if you're going to try and recreate this, I highly recommend putting down a sticky base or a primer, because I set my primer with a powder after fucking around with that orange for like ever. I wish that I hadn't, because I feel like the orange would be a lot more pigmented and wouldn't be like broken up like that. Do you guys see that? It's all just splotchy. I don't like it. Do I recommend this palette? yes, I think it's great for beginners and people who want to play with color like myself. However, you do have to find a way to finesse the shadows to make them work the way you want them to work. Okay, so now that the makeup portion of this is over, here's the moment that you've all been waiting for. It's time to announce the winner of my giveaway for the $50 Ulta gift card. The winner is Carolina Carolina Gutierrez. I don't know how to say her name. I'm so sorry. Her Instagram is It's Dessa. If you guys want to check her out, go follow her. And I will be sending you a message, Carolina, and check your DMs. Okay, that is it for today's video. Before you unsubscribe because you didn't win my giveaway, don't go. I'm gonna do more giveaways. I promise. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.